Good day guys, do you have a Roblox gift card and want to turn it into Robux? So here's exactly how to redeem it and buy Robux in just a couple of minutes. So firstly, of course, type in buy Robux in your search bar, then go to this page. Of course, don't forget to log in into your account before buying. And guys, as you can see on the screen, we have different presets of how many Robux you can buy. You can, as you can see, go anywhere from 500 to 24,000. So choose the one you want and we can now proceed. Also, of course, guys, don't forget to go to roblox.com/redeem and of course redeem your code before that, so that you have actually some points to spend on buying Robux. So basically just scratch the back of your gift card and enter the code exactly as shown into this field right here and click on redeem. And now we can go back into this page, just like I said in the beginning, and we can start purchasing. So just choose the one you want. For example, let's say 2000. In here, you just choose a payment method. Of course, it's going to be our Roblox credit. And just click on submit order and boom, your Robux are added instantly. So if the card doesn't work, double check the code and try again later. And this is how you easily buy Robux using your Roblox gift card. Easy and safe. Guys, if this helps you out, give this video a like and of course subscribe to our channel. We post these tutorials daily. Thank you for watching. See you soon.